Snowed in. We got Lael. Say hi, Lael.
Hi.
We're here with Fevin.
Hi.
And Alina. And we're just eating some popcorn, had some hot chocolate. We're about to show us one of the marshmallows, Alina. We're about to stick these mega-ton marshmallows in the fire. It's going to be awesome.
And when it burns, just blow it off.
Yeah, if it catches fire, just blow on it, right?
And don't lick the outside too much or else you're tasting the grossness.
All right. So we'll just stay here by the warm fire, finish our popcorn and our marshmallows. Wish everyone a good night. Say good night.
Good night. Good night. I met you.
Oh, you want to sing the song for us, Leo? Come sit down right here, Alina. Leo. Come on, Alina. Sing our campfire song together.
Hey, I've met you, and it's crazy. So here's my number, and call me maybe.
Sing it again. Let's hear it.
Hey, I've met you, and it's crazy.